How to make next generation bulletproof coffee that will help you drop more body fat. Hi, I'm Dr. Derek Gillespie, the High Octane Dad, helping to unlock the superhuman potential inside every father. And please remember to like and subscribe to this video down below, because I want to keep making content that's important and relevant to you. Coffee. Half the adult population drink on a regular basis. It's partially the flavor, it's partially the aroma, and let's face it, the caffeine as well. Now, most people add things into their coffee that make it bad for you, like sugar, artificial sweeteners, milk, and coffee creamers. Each of these products are either unhealthy or will increase your glucose and hence your body fat. Now, that's most people and that's most coffee. But how about bulletproof coffee? Never heard of it? It was revolutionized in 2009 by Dave Osprey and became huge amongst two different communities, the keto community and the fasting community. Bulletproof coffee consists of three products: coffee, MCT oil, which is medium chain triglyceride oil, and unsalted butter or ghee. Now what I'm going to do is test my glucose using my continuing monitoring glucose device to see exactly what happens when I drink my version of the next generation bulletproof coffee. My mission: to measure my next generation bulletproof coffee against my blood glucose level. And now I'm going to start by getting a baseline glucose reading. Not a fasting number, but a daily number. Let's see what drinking the bulletproof coffee does to my glucose. It's now been about 15 minutes since I drank the bulletproof coffee. Let's take a look at the glucose. 104. So I was 111 before, 104 now. I am producing some insulin. It is dropping. Let's keep watching. Okay, it's now been about a half hour since I had my bulletproof coffee. Let's check the blood glucose again. Blood glucose 107, so 104 last time, 107 this time, started at 111, relatively stable, still on the lower side, which is fantastic. Let's keep watching. It's now been a little bit over 45 minutes since I had my bulletproof coffee. Let's take a look at my glucose. 115, so a little bit of a spike 45 minutes later, but let's put it into context. I started at 111, so you could look at it as just a 4-point increase. I understand it had dropped before that, but all in all, there hasn't been too much movement. Let's wait a little bit longer to see what happens. Okay, so now a little bit over an hour, we've really let this marinate, and we want to see the effect on the blood glucose, so let's take a look. 103. So we've seen some movement, a little bit up, a little bit down. We're fluctuating in about a 10-point range, which, by the way, is about what you would normally see during these times of the day. You're going to see a 5-10-point fluctuation. So all in all, the bulletproof coffee didn't change my glucose by much. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that my review of bulletproof coffee is really good. I understand the benefits for cognitive function, but also too when you're looking to promote ketosis and drop body fat faster. Adding MCT oil, especially into the coffee, as well as the ghee or the unsalted butter, can really help it. Now, honestly, I just add MCT oil to the coffee most of the time. I usually don't add the butter to it for one reason and one reason only. I don't love the taste of butter in my coffee. MCT oil doesn't have any flavor or taste, so it doesn't change the taste of the coffee, which I like a lot more. So I do add the Strength Genesis high octane MCT oil in there. It has the right amount of C8 and C10 fatty acid chains to help produce ketosis, but at the same time increase the cognitive function of the brain, break up beta amyloid plaque, and give you all the wonderful benefits of having a very substantial and consistent energy source all day long so you don't crash out. So hopefully today this video served you. Make sure that you like and subscribe the video. Click the button down below because I want to keep making content that's important to you. I'm Dr. Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, helping to unlock the superhuman potential inside every